Hello guys, today we'll be seeing a topic called as how to add bookmarks. So like this, investing ideas, Yahoo Finance, adaptive mind, Gmail, 100,000 IT trap. So I'll click on Microsoft, said the official homepage, and if you want to make it appear here, you should click on the star icon here. And you could name it as Microsoft official. You could do it in any folders. And look, here's your Microsoft official. You could use it for all YouTube pages, Gmail, any page, even your local or shared pages. It could be anything. Or you could do this tab also. Yeah, new tab. Yeah. So that's all, guys, for today's adventurous video. Hope we see each other next time.